And here I will show you how to add language in your Samsung Galaxy A16 mobile keyboard. Go to your settings. In settings, go down and tap on General Management. Under General Management, here you have to tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Here, tap on Languages and Types. And currently, I have only one language, that is English UK. To add more language, tap on Manage Input Languages. And now from this list or available language list, you can go ahead and simply download any language. Just tap on this download icon. And once the language downloaded, here we can see the language showing at the top of this language list. Here make sure to enable the option for language. Now I'm opening my keyboard, and once your keyboard open, to change your keyboard language, tap on this icon, globe icon, and here we can see the specific language selected. That's how you can switch between your languages. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.